said the record, Oklahoma's record of snow is 3 inches. Jersey, like, so I know it's some real snow is like, or at least some fair good snow, not no northwest type of snow. But, you know what I mean? I know it's like it snow every year at least. Yeah, this is ice. I ain't sliding, but look at the distance I got between me and that 4-wheel up there and all the other trucks. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is this reality. Come with the winter, build you build. Not, you know what I mean? You should pollute. I'm about to pollute. I ain't about to talk that big, crazy stuff that, yeah, you ain't, man, these people going past me doing 70 miles per hour. Stupid. Where you going? Where are you going? Like, they're not prepared adequately enough out here in these states because they're not used to snow like that. So it's a shock to them sometimes when they get this type of weather. Like, and you want to be speeding and trying to get a pass